In today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide to add headers and footers in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're a professional who frequently works with PDFs or just someone looking to enhance their document organization, headers and footers can be a valuable asset. They allow you to seamlessly incorporate consistent text, dates, page numbers, titles, or various metadata across all pages in your document. With Adobe Acrobat, you have a straightforward and efficient method for adding, customizing, and even reusing header and footer settings effortlessly. Let's dive in and explore this process in detail, ensuring that your documents are not only informative but visually cohesive. Begin by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. It's essential that you use either the Acrobat Pro or DC version to access the necessary features. Once your document is open, navigate to the header and footer tools. This is done by heading over to the Edit or Tools section, where you'll find the header and footer option. Click on it and then select Add if you are inserting a header or footer for the first time, or Edit if you wish to modify existing ones. Now let's configure the content of your headers and footers. In the Add Header and Footer dialog box that appears, you will see the options to place text in the left, center, and right positions. Here you can enter the specific text you want to appear. This is also the space where you can insert dynamic elements. These elements can range from page numbers and total pages to the current date and the document title or file name. Such features are fantastic as they automatically update, saving you time and maintaining accuracy throughout your document. To ensure the appearance of your headers and footers meets your preferences, you'll also want to adjust the font and margin settings to control the typography and the distance your text sits from the page edges. This customization allows your header and footer to integrate harmoniously with the rest of your document's design. Deciding on the target pages is the next crucial step. You have the flexibility to apply your headers and footers to all pages in your document or specify a particular page range. For instance, if you want them only on pages 1 to 5, skip page 6, then continue on pages 7 and 9 to 12. Adobe Acrobat allows this selective application with ease. Before finalizing, take advantage of the preview pane to verify that everything is aligned and spaced correctly. If you envision using this particular configuration again, consider saving your settings as a preset. This feature is incredibly handy for maintaining consistency across multiple documents. Once you've verified everything is to your satisfaction, click OK to apply the changes, and be sure to save your PDF by going to File, then choosing either Save or Save As. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.